Glow showing Europe Africa woman student Ignou MA in Gender and Development Studies. Ace your exams with confidence. Books sparkles. Enrolled in Ignou's MA in Gender and Development Studies? Worried about writing analytical answers or understanding complex social theories? Let EncycloHub support your journey with our previous year solved papers, tailored to help you succeed in every exam. Blue Book, what you'll get. White heavy checkmark solved papers from the past 5 to 7 years. White heavy checkmark well-structured, theory-based, and exam-friendly answers. White heavy checkmark coverage of all key subjects: gender and power, development theory, feminist thought, research methods, and more. White heavy checkmark aligned with Ignou's latest syllabus and question patterns. Light bulb white, choose EncycloHub. Small blue diamond, expert curated content from experienced academicians. Small blue diamond, instant PDF delivery. Small blue diamond, affordable pricing. Small blue diamond, trusted by Ignou students across India. Perfect for mastering concepts, preparing for assignments, and scoring better in term-end exams. Mobile phone with Arrow, ready to get your copy? Message us on WhatsApp at your contact number, or DM us on Instagram at EncycloHub with the message, MA Gender Studies Solved Papers. Direct hit, learn better. Answer smarter. Score higher. Only with EncycloHub, your Ignou exam success partner.